Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Smina Mehboob Teaching. I'm here again with a new video in spoken English sentences. Let's start. Spoken English sentences. Okay. The first sentence is क्या वो आस पास है? क्या वो आस पास है? Is he or she around? Is he or she around? Okay, the next sentence is मुझे सुई चुभोएं. Prick me, needle. मुझे सुई चुभोएं. Prick me, needle. Prick me, needle. Okay. First sentence is क्या वो आसपास है? Is he or she around? The second sentence is मुझे सुई चुभोएं. Prick me, needle. Okay. The second sentence is मुझे सुई चुभोएं. Prick me, needle. The third sentence is सारे बहाने साइड पर रखो. सारे बहाने साइड पर रखो. Put aside all excuses. Put aside all excuses. Okay. The third sentence is सारे बहाने साइड पर रखो. Put aside all excuses. The next sentence is उसकी टांगों में खिंचाव है. उसकी टांगों में खिंचाव है. He is having leg cramps. Okay, he is having leg cramps. He is having leg cramps. Okay. क्या वो आसपास है? Is he or she around? मुझे सुई चुभो. मुझे सुई चुभोएं. Prick me, needle. सारे बहाने साइड पर रखो. Put aside all excuses. Okay. उसकी टांगों में खिंचाव है. He is having leg cramps. He is having leg cramps. The next sentence is उसे बुखार महसूस हो रहा है. उसे बुखार महसूस हो रहा है. He is feeling feverish. He is feeling feverish. He is feeling feverish. Okay. The next sentence is दीवार से टेक लगाकर बैठो. दीवार से टेक लगाकर बैठो. Sit against the wall. Sit against the wall. Okay, sit against the wall. The next sentence is स्वेटर पहन लो. स्वेटर पहन लो. Put on your sweater. Okay, put on your sweater. Put on your sweater. Okay, I'm going to repeat again. उसे बुखार महसूस हो रहा है. He is feeling feverish. Okay. दीवार के साथ टेक लगाकर बैठो. Sit against the wall. Okay. स्वेटर पहन लो. Put on your sweater. Okay. Hope so these sentences will help you in your daily life spoken. Wait till next video, inshallah, I'll come with a new video. Subscribe my channel please and press the bell icon. Till then, goodbye.